So if you have an extra router at your home and you want to use it as a Wi-Fi extender, so in this video and in this method, you don't need any mobile phone, computer, and no configuration is needed. So let me tell you how you can do this, and without using any computer, without changing any settings, nothing is needed. So just watch the full video and I'll tell you how you can use this old router as Wi-Fi extender without doing any settings. So this is your friend Rounak and you are watching Technical Singh. So here is the Geo router. So what I have done is, for power I have plugged in here, and in the telephone port I'm using my telephone. So here you can see like the router is on, and here you can see the optical fiber, and along with that there is LAN cable which I have connected in the second router. You can see here that in this port I have connected my telephone, and on this port I have connected the first end of the LAN cable. So you can connect it anywhere in your Geo router. And here you can see the second end is connected in my TP-Link router. So here I have used like three different 1 meter LAN cable. So if you know how to connect, so you can use it to save your money. So here you can see, and you can see my Geo router there. So the first end is connected in the Geo router, and the second end of the LAN cable is connected in the TP-Link router. So here you have to connect it in the WAN port. Let me show you how to connect it and where to plug it in. So here you can see the TP-Link router, and I, for power, I have plugged it here, and you can see the LAN cable. Three different LAN cables are there. You will have to connect it in the WAN port. You have to keep this in your mind. You have to connect it in the WAN port, and before using your any router, you will have to reset it. So before using, just reset it and it will be fresh, and you can use it as a new router. So on the back side or on the front or anywhere on your router, you can see some informations will be given there to log in, to configure, and all those things. So you will have to check wireless password on your router which you are using as extender. So here you can see like wireless password is given there for my TP-Link. So the wireless password for my TP-Link is 433788623. So by using this, you have to connect it on your mobile phone. So now you can see like I have already using Geo Fiber, and on my available networks I can see TP-Link. So you will have to connect it, and you will have to put the password which was written on your router. So let me tell you, the password was 433788623. So if you want to use it, you don't have to do anything. You just have to plug one end of the wire to your Geo router or to the any router, and the second end of the wire you have to use it in the extender. So here you can see, let me tell you, as my Wi-Fi is connected, let me show you something like if it's working or not. So let me open Chrome and let me show you. So as physics wala website is already opened, let me show you. Okay, so you can see the video is playing. It means the network, it's like it's working. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, comment on the video, and if you think anything is wrong, you can comment below.